You're welcome. Let's solve this y question. The question said if root 2 plus root 3 divided by root 3 is simplified as m plus n root 6, find m plus n. So now, what are we going to do now? Do you know that I can split this since root 2 and root 3 they are sharing a common denominator? I can split it as this, then plus root 3 over root 3. Okay, so now from there I can now do the surd rationalization for the first term here by having root 2 over root 3 multiplied by the root 3 over what? Over root 3, then plus here this, we cancel this, we have 1, right? So now from there we can see that if you multiply this root 2 times this, that's going to give us root 6, and root 3 times root 3, I'm going to be having 3. Don't forget that if you have root a times root a, this is going to give us what? This is going to give us a. So that is the fact we used here. For this and this, multiply by this to give us this. So plus what? Plus 1. So now for we can see that here we can write this as 1 plus, then we can see that we have 1 here. It's invisible, right? So I'm going to bring it out. It's going to be 1 over 3 root 6. So which implies that m plus n root 6. So according to what they said, that is, this is simplified as this. So when you compare this and this together, so now you can see that m equals to 1 and what? And n equals 1 over 3. Right? Good. So now from there, the question now said, what is find m plus n? So m plus n is now going to be 1 plus 1 over 3. So which is the same thing as 1 whole number 1 over 3, or you write it as improper fraction. 3 times 1, we have 3, plus 1, 4, we have 4 over 3. Okay, and that is the solution. Thank you so much for watching. Kindly share this class if you find the class very interesting.